All right, so today we're taking a look at the COSTWAY double chairs. These are gonna be perfect for the beach, perfect for camping, even perfect for just at home if you wanted some extra seating out in the patio. You can see that they easily fold up. All you gotta do is grab the corners and then you can pull it open like this, throw it down on the ground. You just push the seat down and everything is pretty much right in place. Now, this also is going to come with an umbrella as well. So this is the umbrella right here. It's gonna be two pieces. All you gotta do is connect this piece in the middle, snap it down just like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and just open this up. It'll snap into place nice and easily. And then come around to the back here, let me show you. There's gonna be two holes in the back. You can see right there, it'll go into this one and then down into this one. Now, one of the things that I like about this is this actually has a pointed tip to the umbrella. So if you are in the sand, if you are in grass or dirt or something like that, you can actually push this down and give it a little bit more stability by pushing it down into the dirt or into the grass. Now this has this umbrella right here is going to be adjustable. So you can see, you can slide this pole up and down. So if you wanted this to be a little bit lower, so let's say you want it to go down like that for some reason, maybe the sun is starting to come down, like at a horizontal. So it's nice because you could go ahead and just put this super low like that. That way you're completely blocked off. Now it's also going to come with a case as well. And this is great because it has this carrying strap. So I'll show you how to break it down and put it away. It really just takes 2 seconds to do so. All you're going to do is go ahead and tighten it up just like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our case and we throw this right over the top. So what I like to do is I'll grab this handle, I'll kind of get it around the corners. Just be careful because that drawstring on one side sometimes gets stuck. So I'll kind of just pull all this stuff around. So definitely can be done with one person, easier with 2 people, but that's what we're gonna do first. So that's our first step. Now we're gonna go and put these in here. One thing I recommend when you're putting this away, make sure that you're putting the umbrella upside down like this. Slide that down. And then the other thing here is because this end is pointy, you gotta be careful. You don't wanna stab it into the umbrella, so make sure you put it off to the side and just do it slowly because it could stab and cut the bag or something like that. So you wanna be careful. Then you've got your drawstring, which we can go ahead and tighten up here so nothing falls out. And just like that, we've got everything packed away. 2 chairs in 1 bag. Now down here in the middle, you're gonna see there's an insulated cooler for snacks and drinks, which is great. You can put your drinks in here. You can even put ice in here because this is gonna be all lined with this cooler material. You can put ice in here, it's not gonna leak out or anything like that, so it'll keep your drinks cool. Plus it also has a zipper, so it's gonna make sure that it all stays in there nice and neat. Now, each of these chairs is gonna hold 270 pounds. So yes, 270 pounds for this one, 270 pounds for this one. So clear over 500, for about 540 pounds total. And then up here on the front, you've got a clear pocket for your phone, keys, wallet, and then another closed pocket down here at the bottom. It's gonna have cup holders on both sides. So you'll have kind of like a smaller cup holder. It's not gonna be big for like a tumbler or anything like that. But again, these are very low to the ground. So if you do have like a water tumbler, you could easily just set it down on the ground and grab it up. This umbrella is also gonna spin as well. So if you kind of wanted to just, I don't know, play with it or spin it or anything like that, it's nice because when the wind starts pushing, you don't want this to be too sturdy because the wind could pick it up and break it. So having like a little bit of flexibility and spinning like this, it's gonna just make it last a little longer. And again, this is gonna be great for going camping, going to the beach, or if you're a sports parent, this is perfect for bringing this to the kids' game, making it nice and comfortable to sit and relax, watch the game while you have an overhang. So if you're looking for some chairs for the spring or summer, I would definitely recommend picking these ones up.